back to today's video. Thank you guys for coming back and watching my videos. It means a lot to me. And in today's video, I'll be reviewing and unboxing the H390 Logitech headphones, which are these. As you guys can see, it's still in the box, not opened. So in today's video, I'll be unboxing these and reviewing them once I'm done. And I think you guys will like today's video. And without further ado, let's get to the unboxing. Okay, let's get to the unboxing. Before I even cut anything open, let's just look around in the box. From the front, you guys can see the headphones itself. That wire that you guys see, that's just a picture right there. That's a picture. But you guys can also see these wires it has in the middle. And H390, there's a type of headphones these are. You can see that right there. And then on the bottom has some checkout stickers, and on the back it has some facts. The top being English and the rest being different languages. And then down here it has facts about it. Okay, so let's unbox it. Hopefully it's not too tough, because then I got it open. I don't want to make a big old mess out of it. But that's alright, I got my handy dandy scissors. Has a lot of tape on it, I see. Just bear with me. Okay, get the top open. Okay, let me see. Bear with me, I'm not good at opening packages. Uh-oh, I ripped it. That's alright though, because I don't really need the box anyhow. Okay, so let's get it undone. Okay, I got it open. I just pulled. It had tape right here. I just cut with the scissors and then pulled it over from the back. Okay, so looks like there's another layer of plastic within this. Okay, so this is just the product review, but and then here actually is the headphones. That's the back. You see the manual. Okay, so let's try to get this out. Okay, so on the back I got paper, what you saw from the back. It's just instructions. Get that out of here. Okay. And the wire is connected to this, but it comes in a whole different box. Okay. Let's see. Get this thing open. Very sticky. Okay, but fairly easy. Okay, here we got another user manual. Inside the box with the wires. Okay, here's the wire. Okay, get that out of here. Okay, so here's the extra headphones. See, they're brand new. They're really nice. Uh-oh. Here they are. Here's the headphones. Come out the box. Here's what they look like. Here's the cord. And so that's all that came in really in the box. As you guys can see, this is the first box I took it out of. And this is the second box I took it out of. And then just this. So really the only thing that came in the box was the user manual and the headphones itself, because the wire is connected. Okay, so I guess that ends the review. I guess that ends the unboxing. Still got to get to the review. So why not get to it now since we're done the unboxing? Okay, guys. Thank you for staying in my video this long. Comment down Logitech in the comments down below to let me know that you guys got this far in the video. And without further ado, let's review the H390 Logitech headset. Well, first, I don't know. You guys think it's called Logitech? Because on the box you can see here is if you take away the the ECH, it's legit, and then if you take out the LGI, it's just tech. So it's a legit tech, or is it Logitech? I don't know. If you guys know, please comment down in the comment section. Let me know. But let's get to the review. These headphones my dad bought for $24.99 on Amazon. And I checked the price, and you guys could get that for that price as well. And on Logitech or Legit Tech, whatever one, it usually costs $39.95 on Logitech.com. But right now, there's a deal to get it for $29.99, which is slightly more expensive. It's $30 Logitech and $25 on Amazon, which is a $5 difference. So these are definitely cheaper on Amazon. I'm not a sponsor on this video. I'm just reviewing it, but I'm letting you guys know where to get your steal at, where to get this for cheaper. So yeah, that's where you guys could get that at for go get you guys some. So first let's talk about this wire. First let's unwrap it from the unboxing. It still got this little wire on it. Had to untwist it. It blends in very well with the wire. It's a nice black. Right out the box, I could tell the whole headphones itself is very slick. If you guys can see, look how slick and nice and clean that is, and nice and crisp. As you can see on the wire as well. Okay, so this wire, let's see, it's 7.64 feet long, or in other words, 233 centimeters. You guys can see, well over my height. I'm up about 5 foot something, and this is 7 feet. So, so the wire is that long. That way you could, when you're on phone calls using these headphones, it gives you some flexibility, so you can move around, and you don't have to just be, so it's 7 feet long, or 233 centimeters long, or for those of you who measure by centimeters. One of the main features that you guys will notice on the wire is this right here. It's an inline control center on the headphones, and on the back, that's what it looks like on the back of it. I'm not sure what this is for, but I'm pretty sure you probably clip it to your shirt. See? You just clip it. I'm not sure if that's what it's for, but you can't do it with that. It's a button that you press. It's a button. A quick little ASMR. Hey guys, today you're just gonna be clicking this button. Okay. The button. You can see. I get closer to the camera. I'm not sure if you guys can see it still through the camera, but right here is a plus button. And that's to turn up the volume. And then this is a minus button to turn down the volume. And I assume that this button in the middle is to pause and play. But when you're on phone calls, that button is to mute. It automatically mutes you if you press that button. And so it has a lot of work features to it that you could use for work. And my dad said actually where he works at, they use these for his work. And they are really pretty good for work. It has a lot of features that can help you towards your work, in my opinion. And the wear, it's pretty small. I put it on my head, make it feel like you're at work. There. Here's how it looks. Let me take off my hat. It's very comfortable. I would say that these earmuffs are a little small. I wish they were a little bigger. That's all I recommend. They're very comfy and comfortable, but I just wish they were a little more bigger. They're kind of small. And another thing that I don't like about these headphones, actually never mind. It extends pretty big out. It starts like this small, and then the right side it extends about a good 1.5 inch both sides, which makes it pretty big. Not even touching my ears, big. So it is for all uses, but the earmuffs are small, so I wish if they were gonna make it extend that big, whereas where other people older than me could use it, they should have made it with bigger ear cuffs, so more people could use it. Because if it's that long, then they're assuming that older people are gonna use it as well, which they can. But the earmuffs are a little bit small. But I guess that's you win some, you lose some. They're very lightweight. They don't weigh that much, so it proves. That's another thing that complements this comfiness. It's very light. It's not heavy, and if I was to take off my hat and wear these, it doesn't hurt my glasses. I know a lot of headphones like this that I wear. It hurts my right here wearing glasses. That's why I don't really like wearing headphones like this with glasses on, because after a while it starts to hurt. But these, I haven't experienced none of that with these. So I think that's a good touch, because there's a lot of headphones that I can't use because it hurts when I wear my glasses. I'm not sure if you guys have that same issue as I do, but I know I do, and I don't really like it. So comment down below if you guys have the same issue as me. And if not, you must be lucky, because, well, nowadays there's a lot of wireless headphones, but these right here, they're made for work. They're made for phone calls, listening to music, and gaming. So let's see right here. It's a USB-A connector. You plug in your computer or your PC. This is what it looks like, a USB-A. So it's not a USB where you just stick it in like you could put in your Switch or something. So it's not made for my Switch like in my other video. And I showed you guys the my Nintendo Switch headphones. I'm gonna put in a Switch. These cannot go for that. It's more like a gaming headphones are for work where you plug it in, something like that. It has a swivel mounted air cuff, so it's very movable. And it's leatherette, so also another thing that makes it comfortable. As you guys see, is swivel. And this whole bar, I know another thing, a pet peeve I had about headphones like this is sometimes this gets uncomfortable hurting your head. But this whole thing, you could, if you squeeze it, you could feel that there's a bar. Like up here, you could feel it, but down here, on the bottom half, it's all cushion. So when you're wearing it, it doesn't hurt the top of your head. So it's just a all around comfiness and all around comfort. And I guess they did that so you could it lasts longer while you're wearing it. So it gives you hours of fun, and it's what can I say? It's just, that's how they made it. Here I'll show you guys the logos that it has on it. Here it says Logi. I'm not sure if that looks backwards to you guys, but on my side it looks backwards a little bit. I'm looking through the camera lens, but on mine it says Logi. And then on the other ear there's nothing. But on both sides of the right is an R for right ear, and then an L for left ear. So it just shows you which ear it goes on. And other than that, I don't see any other words or any logos anywhere. The only other simple details I see is what I showed you guys before, the plus sign and the minus sign on this. That's the only other markings I see on the headphones. Other than that, there's no other markings or logos anywhere. So these headphones are very easy to clean. That's another thing I like about these headphones. They're very easy to clean. Because they're very slick, very nice and nice looking in my opinion. And so I also like how if you're using the headphones, you don't have to have this up. You could put it up, and then it's very adjustable. You could put it goes all the way down. It goes like, you could adjust it to where your mouth is and it'll still work. Cause I know some headphones, it's either you put it here or you put it up. I haven't had any yet that goes all the way down like this. So that's cool. I like that. So that's today's review. That's the bulk of it. That's what I think these are very nice headphones in my opinion. I think you guys should buy them. I think these headphones get my thumbs up, my seal of approval. And yeah, I think you guys should go ahead and get you guys some if you don't have any already. Thank you guys for watching my videos. And thank you for all the support. And make sure to keep sharing my videos to other people you think might like my product that I'm reviewing that day. Make sure you guys tune in every Tuesday and every Sunday is when I post my videos. Be sure to subscribe and turn my post notifications and like the video. And I guess I'll see you guys Sunday. Stay safe. Peace.